Located in Austin, just 2.1 kilometers from University of Texas at Austin, WanderJaunt, Polk 1BR, Central Austin has accommodations with free Wi-Fi. Guests staying at this apartment can use the fully equipped kitchen. This apartment will provide guests with one bedroom, a TV and air conditioning. The apartment also provides guests with a bathroom. Texas Memorial Stadium is 2.3 kilometers from the apartment, while Frank Erwin Center, University of Texas is 2.9 kilometers from the property. Austin Bergstrom International Airport is 11.3 kilometers away. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. For more videos, hit the subscribe button.